I'm at our newest listing at 305 Brook Road in Enfield, Connecticut. This is a special custom-built ranch that you're not going to want to miss. It's ranch style, offering a nice open floor plan, formal living room, formal dining room. It has a beautiful kitchen, and as you can see, it's a nice open floor plan. It has Anderson windows with beautiful bay windows, pellet stoves, central air, central vac. We have everything you could think of. Attic fans, newer hardwood floors, a gorgeous sunroom. It backs up to nice woods. It's a very private location and super conveniently located. So if you'd like to stop by our open house Saturday on the 18th, we're going to have an open house from 12 to 2. And if you'd like to come and take a tour of this beautiful home, me and the team will be here to take you around. If you want to see the special yard lined with perennials, it is a very, very nice home you're not going to want to miss. We hope to see you. If you'd like more information about this, or maybe some photos ahead of everybody else, then you can give us a call at 860-926-5101. You can send us an email to team@teamgabriel.net, and we'll be glad to tell you more about this special, special home.